Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. Do you ever feel stressed when you travel? Today, I will tell you about our first family subway trip. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Today, you will learn words about transport and how to be kind to others. Are you ready? Let's start. First, my family goes to see Grandma. It is a sunny Saturday. Michael drives our black car. Lily sits in the back with her favorite teddy bear. We feel happy because we love Grandma. But then the car stops. I look outside the window. There are many cars. 1, 2, 10, 50 cars. They do not move. The road is full. This is a big traffic jam. The sun is very hot now. I see the heat on the road. The air is not fresh. It smells like old smoke from the cars. Michael looks at his watch. He feels a little worried. We are late, he says. Lily asks, "Mom, why are we stopping?" I take a deep breath. I look at my family and smile. It is okay, I say. We need a new plan. I see a blue sign near the road. It is a subway station. Let's leave the car here and take the train, I suggest. Michael smiles. We pack our bags. We are ready for a new adventure. Next, we walk to the subway station. The station is under the ground. We walk down the stairs. It feels cool inside. The air is different here. It is not hot like the street. I hear the sound of many feet walking on the floor. Tap, tap, tap. The station is very big and white. We find a ticket machine. It is a silver box with a bright screen. Michael helps Lily. "Look, Lily," he says, "we need 3 tickets." He pushes the buttons. The machine makes a beep sound. Then 3 small cards come out. "These are our tickets," I tell Lily. We walk to the gate. I put my card in the slot. The gate opens. I feel excited. It is my first time here too. I see a map on the wall. It has many lines, red, green, and blue. We followed the blue line. We wait on the platform. Many people are waiting with us. Some people read books. Some people look at their phones. The air moves suddenly. A cold wind blows. I hear a loud noise from the tunnel. The train is coming. Stop. Let's look at some special words. I said traffic jam. A traffic jam is when many cars cannot move on the road. It is a common problem in big cities like New York or London. Another word is subway. In the USA, we say subway. In the UK, they call it the tube. In France, it is the metro. It is an underground train. Now, look at the 1-2-1 rule for speaking. When Michael asked, "Are you okay?" I didn't say a long story. I said, "I am fine," 1 sentence, "hot, tired," 2 words, "let's go," 1 sentence. This is a simple way to speak English. Also, in the subway, we must be polite. We say, "Excuse me," when we move past people. We say, "Thank you" to the workers. This makes the trip better for everyone. Do you have a subway in your city? Is it clean or busy? Think about it while we continue our story. After that, we step inside the train. The doors close with a soft hiss sound. Inside, the train is very bright. The seats are hard and orange. There are many handles to hold. Michael holds a silver handle. Lily sits between us. Suddenly, the train moves. I feel a small pull. We go faster and faster. I look out the window. It is dark in the tunnel, but I see small lights passing by. Flash, flash, flash. The train makes a rhythmic sound. Clack, 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 clack. It is very relaxing. I look at the people in the car. A young man is listening to music with big headphones. A woman is drinking coffee from a paper cup. The smell of the coffee is very strong and good. Lily is very curious. She asks, "Mom, Are we under the river? I look at the map. Yes, Lily, I say. We are deep under the ground. I feel proud of my daughter. She is brave. The subway is like a small world moving through the dark. It is fast, clean, and very cool. We are happy because we are moving again. Grandma's house is very close now. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Please take my seat. Pause. Thank you very much. Pause. Very good. Now, listen to the story. At the next station, the doors open. Many people get off. An old woman enters. She has white hair and a big brown bag. She looks very tired. Her hands are shaking a little. There are no empty seats. Lily looks at the woman. Then Lily looks at me. I smile and nod my head. Lily stands up. She goes to the woman. "Excuse me, ma'am," she says politely. "Please take my seat." The old woman is surprised. Then she smiles a very big, kind smile. "Thank you, little girl," she says. "You are very sweet." Michael and I feel very proud. Lily sits on Michael's lap. She is happy because she helped someone. This is an important lesson. English is not just words. English is about connection and kindness. We arrive at Grandma's station. We say goodbye to the woman. We feel light and happy. Finally, we see Grandma. She gives us big hugs. We tell her about the traffic jam and the subway. It was a simple day, but a very happy day. Learning English is like our trip. Sometimes you hit a traffic jam, but you can always find a new way. What about you? Do you help people on the bus or the subway? Tell me your story in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. One small step is enough. I am proud of you. Bye-bye.